You're probably using ChatGPT for basic questions and wondering why everyone else seems to get these incredible, detailed responses while yours feel, well, generic. Trust me, I made this mistake for months until I discovered something surprising. It's not about the AI being smarter, it's about how you communicate with it. Here at bitbias.ai, we do the research so you don't have to. So in this video, I'm sharing 10 powerful techniques that will transform your ChatGPT interactions from amateur to professional level. These aren't just tips, they're strategies that will help you become a better prompter while unlocking AI capabilities you didn't even know existed. Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Master the art of prompt refinement. Here's the first technique that's not only going to give you better results from ChatGPT, but it's also going to teach you how to become a better prompter yourself. When your first prompt doesn't deliver what you need, don't start over. This is where most people get it wrong. Instead, ask ChatGPT, how can I improve this prompt to get better results? What specific details am I missing? What happens next is pure magic. ChatGPT becomes your personal prompt coach, teaching you exactly what makes prompts effective while simultaneously giving you what you need. Think of it like having a writing mentor available 24/7. You're not just getting answers, you're developing a skill that makes every future interaction better. But here's where it gets interesting. Tip 2. Leverage visual intelligence. Most people have no idea that ChatGPT can actually see and analyze images. This is a complete game changer that turns your phone into an AI-powered visual assistant. Upload screenshots of complex diagrams, charts, or even photos of your fridge contents and watch what happens. I use this all the time. Snap a photo of ingredients in my kitchen, upload it, and ask for recipe ideas. Or take a picture of a complicated chart and have it explained in simple terms. The multimodal capabilities work on both free and paid tiers, though free users do have limited usage. This one feature alone can replace multiple specialized apps, but wait until you see what's coming next. Tip 3. Create your AI persona with custom instructions. This next technique is a massive time saver that most people completely overlook. You're probably repeating the same context over and over in every conversation: your role, your preferences, how you want responses formatted. There's a better way. Set up custom instructions that tell ChatGPT who you are, what you do, and how you want it to respond. Whether you're a marketing manager, student, or entrepreneur, this one-time setup saves hours of context setting and makes every interaction feel personalized. Here's the beautiful part. It works for both free and paid users, and once it's set up, ChatGPT remembers your preferences across all conversations. But this next tip takes personalization to a whole new level. Tip 4. Choose your model strategically. Here's something that separates the pros from the beginners: knowing which ChatGPT model to use for different tasks. Think of it like choosing the right tool for the job. You wouldn't use a hammer when you need a screwdriver, right? For complex analysis and creative tasks, GPT-4 is your powerhouse. For quick queries and simple tasks, the faster mini model gets the job done efficiently. Free users get access to multiple models with usage limits, while paid users have more flexibility to switch between them. The key is matching the model to your specific need. But here's where most people make a crucial mistake. They stick with the default instead of optimizing for their task. This next tip will completely change how you work with long-form content. Tip 5. Work smarter with Canvas mode. Stop doing the copy-paste dance between ChatGPT and your documents. There's a much better way. Canvas mode creates a split-screen workspace where you can edit text in real time while chatting with the AI. It's like having a collaborative editor that never gets tired. Generate content on one side, then use the built-in tools to adjust length, reading level, or add polish, all without leaving the interface. I use this for everything from blog posts to email campaigns, and it's completely transformed my writing workflow. The best part? It's available to both free and paid users. But if you really want to supercharge your productivity, wait until you see what specialized GPTs can do. Tip 6. Tap into specialized GPTs. This is where ChatGPT gets really exciting. Why build expertise from scratch when you can access pre-trained specialists? The GPT Store offers thousands of custom AI assistants optimized for specific tasks, from coding to creative writing to data analysis. These specialized versions come preloaded with domain knowledge and tailored instructions. It's like having a team of experts on standby for whatever challenge you're facing. Need help with Excel formulas? There's a GPT for that. Want to improve your writing? There's a specialist for that too. Both free and paid users can access these, though free users have usage limits. But here's a pro tip that will save you hours every week. Tip 7. Build your AI memory bank. Here's a technique that creates a truly personalized AI assistant. When you find yourself using the same prompts repeatedly, ask ChatGPT to save them as memories. This trains the AI to remember your preferences, frequent requests, and working style. Over time, you're building an AI that gets smarter about your specific needs. No more re-explaining your role, preferences, or context in every new conversation. It's like having an assistant that actually learns from working with you. This feature remembers everything from your communication style to your project preferences. But the next tip is perfect for anyone selling products or creating marketing content. Tip 8. Transform products with AI image generation. This technique is incredibly powerful for e-commerce and marketing. Take your existing product photos and place them in entirely new environments without expensive photo shoots. Upload an image of your product and ask ChatGPT to recreate it in different settings while maintaining the original's look and feel. I've seen this work amazingly well. A simple bottle of olive oil transformed into elegant kitchen scenes, cozy dinner settings, or professional restaurant presentations. The AI keeps the product authentic while creating completely new lifestyle contexts. This works with the standard model, so both free and paid users can access it, though free users have usage limits. Now, this next tip is for the ultimate productivity hackers. Tip 9. Automate your routine with scheduled tasks. Here's where ChatGPT becomes your personal assistant that never sleeps. Set up recurring AI tasks that run automatically. Daily news summaries, weekly project updates, or monthly report generation. ChatGPT handles routine information gathering completely on autopilot. This feature is available to paid users and integrates seamlessly with your email for delivery. Imagine waking up every morning to a personalized news briefing tailored to your interests, or getting weekly summaries of industry trends relevant to your business. The key is asking ChatGPT to suggest automation opportunities based on what it knows about you. It will recommend tasks you haven't even thought of. But this final tip might be the most practical of all. Tip 10. Master mobile AI integration. Your phone just became an AI powerhouse. The ChatGPT mobile app offers unique capabilities that desktop users miss out on entirely. Use voice conversations for hands-free brainstorming, snap photos for instant analysis, or practice languages with natural conversation. Here's what I love most. You can take a picture of handwritten notes and have them digitized instantly, or snap a photo of a presentation slide when you don't have time to take notes. The voice feature is incredible for language practice. It's like having a conversation partner available 24/7. The mobile experience adapts AI to your lifestyle, not the other way around. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just away from your desk, you have professional-grade AI assistants in your pocket. These 10 techniques will fundamentally change how you interact with AI. The difference between basic users and power users isn't about paying for premium features. It's about understanding how to communicate effectively with AI systems. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pick just one of these techniques and try it in your next ChatGPT conversation. Don't try to implement all 10 at once. Start with the one that resonates most with your current needs, master it, then gradually add others to your toolkit. Remember, the goal isn't to use every feature available. It's to find the techniques that genuinely improve your productivity and creativity. Which of these tips are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know how these strategies work for you. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve and learn more techniques like these, make sure to subscribe to bitbias.ai. We're constantly discovering new ways to maximize your AI potential.